Hey everybody, this is Bev Gray from Technique Tuesday. Today I want to show you how our mini candles dies can be used all by themselves to make great projects. And then we'll talk a little bit about the stamp set too. Let's get started. So the mini candles dies look like this. And what's cool about them is they're really designed for layering. So you can see here where I cut different pieces out of the biggest candle and I made those the mats, and then I took the pattern pieces, the pattern die cuts, and just layered it over the top, and I did that both for the candles and then also for the flames. And I of course then had to add a sentiment that comes from our mini candle stamp set, which is also designed to coordinate with this. So the dies work great just on their own like this, but look what happens when you combine the stamp sets and dies. So here all I did was to take the mat, die cut it out of white paper, and do it just like this, just line it up, run it through your die cutting machine, and you end up with something like this. And then color it with some pencils. Tam did the coloring for me today, so she did some Prismacolors on top of it. And then you end up with a great stamped and die cut card just like this. I hope you enjoyed seeing how you can use the mini candles dies all by themselves to make those layered candles, and also how they coordinate with the mini candle stamp set. If you'd like to see more projects like these, hop on over to our website. Thanks for watching.